From a boring lawn to a living forest, what a wonderful transformation. It took a shovel, 2 shovels, lots of shovels, wheelbarrows too, but above all the desire to get started. What an idea to create and develop 1, then 2, then 3 tree nursery areas in our church garden. Our discussions and collective awareness of our role as caretakers of God's creation have led us, both young and old, to want to take a step in our commitment to this creation right in the heart of our church life, so that we never forget that everything is linked, that it is essential to take care of our relationship with God, with ourselves, with others, and with our environment. To date, more than 150 trees have been planted by the children of our church family. These are very small trees, but if they are well cared for and nurtured, they will become mighty. These trees are growing, but upon closer inspection, since we embarked on this adventure, these trees are also making us grow. For nearly 3 years now, our parish has enthusiastically embarked on various green church projects aimed at preserving the creation and deepening our conviction that on our journey as church, we cannot ignore the realities of the ecological collapse facing our world. Our nursery is home to 3 species adapted to new climate conditions, and our fir nursery aims to limit the carbon footprint of our Christmas trees. Each of these trees, planted in pots, will be picked up by a family at the beginning of Advent, then brought back to the church garden after Christmas. These projects involve everyone, from children to the elderly, in the creation and development of this shared church garden, strengthening our intergenerational dynamic. The first steps in this project were noticed by Église Verte, or Green Church, a national label made up of representatives of the Christian churches of France. The first national prize was awarded to us in October 2022 to encourage us in this approach. The Église Verte movement, the Lutheran World Federation, our local town council and our regional church all encourage and support us in various ways. We are grateful for all the support. And we already have the joy of marveling at the before and after, seeing, touching and tasting the development of a project that goes beyond words. Ideas are still swarming within the coordinating team. The living plant wall has begun, and tomorrow we dream of creating a plant chapel in the middle of the garden, where we can pray enveloped in a green refuge opened up to the heavens. We like to remember biblical passages that take on greater meaning today, like this one from the book of Isaiah that says, "I will put in the desert the cedar and the acacia, the myrtle and the olive. I will set junipers in the wasteland, the fir and the cypress together, so that people may see and know, may consider and understand that the hand of the Lord has done this, that the Holy One of Israel has created it." We look forward to following up soon for another report on this project, and discover the first trees planted beyond the church garden, in the gardens of our children's and teenagers' families.